Okay, do you trust me?
No!
Okay, well, close your eyes and open your
No!
mouth. Just trust me.
No! No!
Close your eyes. Or else it'll get in your eyes. Close your eyes and open your mouth. Wide. I'm trusting you. I mean, trust me.
Is it liquid?
Yes.
Are you gonna spill it all over me?
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I promise.
I don't want you.
This is a test of trust, of our friendship.
If you do something, I swear I'm pushing you up.
You, it's not even bad. Close your eyes. It's tight. Promise. That's look. It'll ruin the surprise. Still. You have to stay. Close your eyes. And open your mouth. I've already done it. I've already took some of it myself.
Is it like cough medicine or something?
Close your eyes. Open your mouth. Scary. Shut up. Wait, let's read this.
It went straight in my eye.
It says, keep away from fire or flame, avoid spraying in eye. Flush your eye. One time I sprayed bug spray in my eye. Good thing this camera's waterproof. You really did make a big deal of it, and you got my shirt all wet.
You sprayed it straight into my eye.
It was your mouth. This is sick.